It occurred on I-65 bridge in Birmingham, Alabama on Saturday, January 5th, 2002. A gasoline tanker truck hit the I-65 bridge. It was one of the most devastating highway crashes in the history of Alabama.
The truck, which was holding almost 10,000 gallons of gasoline, crashed and exploded into a fireball that was estimated to have reached more than 2,000 degrees, destroying the structures. Congestion was unbearable. Workers worked for 48 hours straight after the crash. I-65 northbound and also two additional lanes was opened. The city of Birmingham adjusted the timing of 35 traffic signals on the service streets.
A team of engineers worked at the design of the bridge. The team considered various options. The equipe completed the bridge design plans in 6 days. This project is a good example to show us how to civil, construction, architecture, and environmental engineers can work together. It was designed for known delays. The contractors worked 24 hours per day. Work went on rain or shine. Safety and quality of work were always paramount.
The emergency I-65 bridge replacement is considered to be an engineering achievement because it was completed in an unprecedented 37 days, 53 days ahead of schedule. For weeks, workers, designers, and contractors worked for days at a time. Two contractors decided on two shifts, each 12 hours long. The two would go on to receive an incentive of $25,000 for each day shaved from the schedule. The bridge was opened one day after construction was completed.
Today, 13 years later, the bridge is working perfectly.